Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Chapter 49. Inner Devotion. When Vedas and scriptures cannot describe the greatness of the Supreme Soul, that is Paramatma, how can we ordinary mortals describe the preeminence of Sadguru? Sainatha. Silent prayer is the ideal prayer one can offer to the great Sadguru Sri Sainatha. Sri Sai Katamruta should be read, enjoyed, tasted and felt. The true joy of it by all our close relatives, inmates, friendships and all our well-wishers. Those who have been relished the Sri Sai Katamruta alone can tell other devotees how tasty and enjoyable it is. Sainatha inspires the select devotees to compose the writings about him. Sri Sai Smarane is far more important than meditation, penance, worship with rituals. The recalling to our mind the very name of Sri Sainatha will help us sail far away from this mundane, impermanent world. Let us share the experience of such great devotion of Baba. Sri Hari Kannoba of Mumbai had come on purpose to put to prove the greatness of Baba. When he came to Shirdi, he was grandly dressed like a dandy. From top to bottom, he wore rich attire. Even while saluting Baba, his mind concentrated on his pair of new sandals, which he had bought them quite recently. His search for his sandal ended in vain because someone had stolen them. Even while worshipping God, he thought of the new sandals he lost at the entrance of the temple. As soon as he came out of the temple, he saw a boy carrying his sandals on a stick and announcing loudly, "Hari ka beta, Zari ka peta." Hari Kannoba ran to the boy and admitted before the boy that the new sandal belonged to him. The boy gave Hari Kannoba the latter's sandal. Hari Kannoba soon understood the preeminence of Baba. He blamed himself for his own foolish act. He fell at the feet of Baba and begged pardon for having arrogantly behaved with the great Sadguru. He obtained Baba's blessing and returned to Mumbai. There lived an ascetic called Somdev Swami. He too came to Shirdi to test the worth of Baba. The very first thing he caught sight of was the flying flag. Why does a saint need luxurious items such as chariot, horse, and this flag? Being upset with these exhibitions, he almost decided to return from Shirdi. His co-passengers insisted on his visiting Baba's mosque. As he entered the mosque, he saw Baba. End of chapter 49. Om Shri Sainathaya Namaha.